So, me and my friend DJ were trying to recreate the entirety of Versus Imposter version 4 because we thought it would be funny. He did some, we were like trying to make Versus Imposter but a little bit better. So, like, he did some, he redid most of the icons to make them look way better, which they do look better. And, like, I was gonna add unused content that would make the songs better, and I've learned how to make characters walk in the background, and I want to show you guys how that code works and how you guys can put it in your own mod. You do not need to credit me. You can just copy the code. I'll put it in the description, and yeah, you can just do whatever you want with this. So in the song "Sussus Tugus," about in the song, there would have been walking characters in the song, but that was cut due to time. So I decided to add this in this little port of Sussus Tugus, and I want to show you how it looks in game and how you guys can add it for yourself. We're gonna have to wait till that bit happens. I might just cut in the editing process. And just like that, you can see that there's a walking character. There's a blue crewmate that just walked by, and he just casually scrolled by. I'm pretty sure there's another one coming soon. Just look at the bottom and you see them. Yeah, there they are. I'm gonna just go to the chart editor so we can skip to that one saxophone bit in Sussukus. And then, okay, wait. And I'll show you guys how it looks there. I want to tell you this now. Okay, maybe I should have just did this. Yeah, there's the one issue with the code, and it's that it tends to lag it out really hard. And I don't know how to pre-cache objects yet. If you guys know how to do that, you guys can fix the code and like make it way better. So like it doesn't lag as hard as it did. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the code to this. Let me get up Visual Studio with the code up and running. I gotta find the code real quick. It's in the data for the song. Alright, I'm gonna switch the window real quick. For some reason it's really broken. Let me just fix that for you guys. I'm gonna hide the desktop so you guys don't need to see all that. Okay, so in this code, if you look at the code, there is okay, you don't have to do if you want to have it in a certain point, you can do you have to do on step hit, and then whatever step it is. So like on step 256, it would go to a crewmate walking, and it's going to be the blue crewmate. If you want it to be in front, obviously you gotta go addLuaSprite true. If you don't want it to be in front, you gotta do false. But because they're walking in front, it's gonna be true. This walk velocity x is the x coordinate plane, and that means it's gonna walk positively, which means it's gonna walk to the right of the screen. If this variable was negative, however, he would go to the left. So, like, if you have a character walking from the left, you would probably do negative instead of positive. And obviously, this is the position that it spawns in. And this is if it's in a loop, which you want this to loop because, well, they're walking. Now, you could probably do something really cool with this code. I'm obviously an amateur, don't know much about stuff like this. Because this was just me messing around with Lua code. Because I wanted to find out if I could do this by myself, and I did, and I was happy. But like, here's how you have walking, functioning characters. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of me making Cestus Togus. Yeah, I'm pretty sure White's gonna show up now. Where is he? I know he's like around this bit. There he is. Yellow is next, I believe. Yep, there he is. So that's how you make walking characters in your background. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, peace.